are heading over to Skadden Wash. That is the area to my right. All open BLM area with a 14-day camping limit. Can camp out here for free. It is totally primitive. Try to meet up with some folks over here. This is where they have previously held the RTR, the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. It's a big travelers meetup fest. So I think they're close to their 10th annual. Good place for everyone to meet up, not be moving around so much, so we can all save some money. Should be a good time. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, this looks like our turn here. You can see there's like this Halloween skeleton with a tie-dye t-shirt in the bush there. It's the road we're gonna turn on. I am gonna go try to find a camp that's not too all up in the big crowd of people here. Looks like there's a couple different groups. I'm going to try to find a spot that's off on my own a little bit here, but yet still has room for other people to come join, so we'll see what I can find. I'll give you a little glimpse of my camp here at Skadden Wash. There has been quite a few people that have rolled in here lately, but still where I'm at is not very crowded. I kind of picked this spot with the thought that maybe some folks would want to join, so I made sure there was plenty of room over here, but no one has joined me yet. I'm not a very popular person out here. It has been beautiful out here, like high 60s, low 70s, dipping down into the low 40s, high 30s at night. But as soon as that sun comes up, it is just warming up nicely. It was like a summer day yesterday. No wind, which is rare. It is usually pretty windy out here most of the time. And I've been here for a while and then it has not been windy. Very nice. So just a little update here from camp. I may be moving. If I do, I'll update the GPS coordinates from what I left last time. I just may be moving down a little bit closer to the bigger group. There is a big kind of party group down here and another one here. A buddy of mine, Stan, Saznak, Tom from Hobotech, went up and hung out with them last night. They've got a pretty good group up there, so I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to move closer to these guys or to these guys down here. But going good here, really enjoying meeting a lot of new folks and socializing. It's been very, very awesome, having a great time. So we'll check in a little bit. Okay, so this is the central area here at the RTR camp. I am camped up the road a little bit this way, but there's quite a concentrated number of travelers and nomads out here.
To push that little yellow button to load it.
Everybody clap, come on, have some fun tonight. One, two, three. Awesome, I love y'all.
Well, we got a little adventure ahead of us here. I'm gonna hang out with Stan here, and we are gonna go for a buggy ride in this thing right here. I don't think I've ever been in something like this, so this should be quite an adventure. All right, here we go. The terrain out here is just amazing. Love this. Such rugged terrain. There are some petroglyphs around here. Don't know how old they are, but the markings on the rocks, we'll see if we can go find some. That was a good ride, Pat. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
That was awesome. Yeah, appreciate it. What a good time.
Yeah, that's cool going out there.
All right, Stan, thanks for inviting me along on that off-roading ride there. Pat totally hooked us up. That was a blast.
Yeah, Pat's a good man.
I don't know if many of you remember Stan. We met, geez, a couple years ago now, and we did a video and toured his semi, which has a super sleeper on it. But he has since switched it up to this thing right here.
So on the inside, it's all done in a like a southwestern, maybe a Santa Fe, New Mexico kind of thing.
Yeah.
Indian blanket. This is buffalo. See the arrows built into it, and all the buffalo print. You know, the lady, the first couple that bought it, the lady was a Southwest art collector, and I think she had a gallery and stuff. She left the buffalo in here. Let me get my bag out of the way. That's a buffalo. I don't know how valuable, if it's worth anything, but there's that. There's a couple things back in the bedroom that are like, you know, artsy things she left in here. You know, but it's all kind of an Indian. There's a buffalo head that's airbrushed onto a leather, like a throw pillow or throw blanket. But what I really loved about it was the woodwork. It just, I love the oak, and it's just solid woodworking, just quality build. So I would have much rather have a really high quality older rig than a lower quality newer rig.
Gotcha.
So, but yeah, it's all done, and let me turn some lights on here for you.
It is beautiful.
It's all done. Of course, lots and lots of mirrors.
Doesn't
got a dishwasher.
Doesn't even feel like I'm in an RV. It feels like I'm in a house.
Got a more of a household type Amana refrigerator. You know, storage up here, just all kinds of. Stained glass doors and everything, but they're solid oak. It's not like veneer. It's solid stuff. It's really nice. Then back here's the bathroom.
Whoa, this is stunning. These smeared.
Jeez. What were your friends, Bill and Darla?
Yeah, you're in a holiday rambler.
Yeah, well, they were over, and I was giving them the nickel tour, and I cut my finger on this mirror.
Oh, I remember that, yeah.
And I cut my finger, and when I was reenacting it, showing it to them, I cut my finger on the other side, on my other finger. So this is the infamous, what they call it, the psycho shower.
Okay, got it. That is a nice shower there.
And this is all storage behind you, different closets and stuff.
Glass.
You know, there's a wash machine behind here. And then, of course, the bedroom. You know,
nice master bedroom.
Like all RVs, it has storage underneath, and you know, all kinds of closet space. And this is where Pam will put her stuff eventually. So it's one of the things. She gets 90% of the closet space. So
nice.
Here's some more of that artwork.
Oh yeah.
The tomahawk. Yeah.
Very nice.
And then there's a medicine wheel. I don't know much about that kind of stuff. I probably ought to do some research. I know there's dream catchers and
Yeah.
things like that. So yeah, that's the nickel tour. That's the 10-minute
Awesome.
tour.
Well, we appreciate it. Looks like
You bet.
this will be good for you and your girlfriend.
I sure hope so. It's very comfortable, very nice. I hope it's not going to be one of these things. If it breaks, it just costs $1 million to fix. So
Right on.
fingers crossed. So.
Right on, Stan. Well, appreciate you giving us the little tour, and it was fun hanging out, going off-roading. I'm sure we'll be able to hang out for a couple more days before you head out. So everybody go out and check out Sasnak YouTube channel. You can catch up with what Stan's up to and see where he heads from here.
You can remember Sasnak. It's Kansas, spelled backwards.
Ah, got it.
I was born in Kansas.
Okay, I thought there was something behind that.
Yep. There you go. Easy to remember.
Right on. Thanks again, man.
All right, Joe.